Barbers and hair salons are losing thousands of dollars every single month because their clients can't visualize what they look like after the cut. And the sad part, most people walk out with the safe, basic option simply because they were scared of a bad result. But with AI, you can fix that in seconds, and you can charge the barber or salon $5,000 to $2,000 for the upgrade. Most barbers are still explaining styles verbally, showing random Instagram pictures, and hoping that the client gets it. Meanwhile, the client is nervous, unsure, and ends up choosing the cheapest options, which means the business loses money on higher ticket cuts, colors, and transformations. But with AI hair previews, you can walk into any barbershop or salon, or even do this completely remotely. Take a photo of a client, generate multiple before and after looks in minutes, and instantly help them upsell more premium services. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find barbers and salons who desperately need this, how to create hyper-realistic AI hair transformations, and how to package this into a high-ticket offer and turn this into monthly recurring revenue for yourself. If you've been looking for a simple service to make money with AI, even with zero technical skills, then this might be one of the easiest opportunities of 2025. So to start off with, let me just show you exactly what the app is. And this is what I've built. It's called Trim AI. And it might look complicated, but I built this in less than 5 minutes with no technical experience. So how this works is you can see here that we can either take a photo or we can upload a photo from our gallery. If I click upload photo from gallery, I just pick this random picture of somebody with messy hair, right? I'm going to take that and I'm going to upload it to my app. Now here at the bottom, you have different options for hairstyles. So imagine that the barber is now doing this for their client who's sitting in the chair. They take a photo of the client and say, tell me exactly what you want. And then here in the custom styles section, you can basically have the client describe what they're looking for. So they could say, I want it to be short on the top, a high skin fade, and a taper. So some random things that I just put in there, right? And then you can click generate new look. Now what the AI is going to do is it's going to stylize this and give us an output on exactly what this customer was looking for. And if it's not exactly what they want, they can keep prompting it to get there, to get to the final product that they like. And there you go. So you can see here that now this is a massive transformation, right? Compared to what it was before. So it's now shorter on the top. And you can see that they've added a high skin fade and a taper right there. Now you can compare this against what it was previously. You can see the face and everything is the exact same. The only thing that has changed is the hair. Perfect. So you can say, now if the client actually changes their mind, they can say, no, actually, I want a mohawk instead. You can do generate new look. And now it's basically going to input that here. Now we have different options that we can pick from, and then the client can pick whatever they like. The other cool part about this is that we can talk with the barber and say, what are your upsells, your higher ticket items? So maybe that's like coloring, maybe that's, like doing a perm or like curling or straightening, things like that, right? Especially for higher end salons, like it's different for boys and barbers, but women are willing to pay a lot more for these services. And there's just a big risk with what's going to happen to their hair. So this helps mitigate all of that risk and help them sell these higher ticket packages. So you can see here now, based on their curly hair, this is the mohawk that it came up with. Now, if it's not exactly what we were looking for, we can continue to keep playing around with this. Now you get the idea that we can basically prompt this to do anything for the salon's preferences, maybe dye the hair, style the hair, anything that they like. So now what we can do is we can take this app, go to barbershops and salons and look what I can make for you. And we can rebrand this to their company, their branding, and have them sell this to the client as an upsell. This differentiates them from all of their competitors. Nobody else is going to be offering this. And now clients are going to pick their services more, but also go after their higher ticket services as well, which they might not normally buy because of the risk that comes with it. So now I'm going to show you exactly how you can build this app, because I'm sure that's what you're wondering about. So we built this inside of a platform called Gemini. So if you want to just go to Google, search Gemini, and then it's going to take you to this page over here. And all I did inside of Gemini, so I opened up Gemini like this. And then once you're inside Gemini, you can go to Tools and then go to their Canvas. So Canvas is how you can build things. And all I did was tell it this prompt right here. So I'll open this prompt up. Super simple. And it's going to blow you away how simple this is. So all I wrote was build an app for barbershops where they can take a current photo of their client's hair. The client can describe it to get an AI adjusted version of what they want. They can continue to prompt it until they're happy with the cut, and then the barber can proceed to just copy that. That is all I wrote, and it created this entire app for me. So as soon as you press enter, it starts processing, and what it does is on the back end, it writes all this code for you. So AI writes all the code, so you have to do nothing technical, and then it's going to turn out this app for you here. Now, if you want to change anything about it, you can just talk to it on the left-hand side in plain English and get it to adjust itself. So you can see here, I actually wanted to have a light theme. So I can process that, I can give it that information, and you can see how it's going to basically rewrite the code. So it's going to tell you here in English what it's doing, but then if you click on the code, you can see that it's actually rewriting the code for us, which is amazing. So it'll take a couple seconds for that to happen, and then the video will be ready. So while this is processing, I'm going to show you the business plan on how you can actually sell this. So I want you to search hair salons near me. And then what you're going to do is you can find you're going to find their contact information here, their website, their phone number, and all of those things. You basically just want to call them and ask them when the manager is in, when is a slow time, because you want to actually do a demo for them in person. You basically want to walk in with the app loaded, so you can have this app, you can send it to your phone by clicking the share button. And then when you have it on your phone, you can walk into the location, and as the client is there, you can ask them to do this in real time with the client if they're willing to do that. So you can say, hey, this is what I do. This is the app that I built. I want to offer it to you for free for today for 1 or 2, 3, 4 clients, whoever is there currently right there, and then take a picture of them, ask them to describe what they want, and let them see what the outcome is. And the client themselves will be super impressed and super excited that they can see what they're about to get. And then when the business owner, the salon owner, sees how happy the client is and how valuable something like this is, then they're going to want to subscribe to it or try it out for a month. And then you can close them on a one-time setup fee of anywhere between $500 to $2,000. And then you can also sign them up for a monthly subscription cost for like $97 to $97 a month to pay you for access to that software. And that can include unlimited photos that they can take. Now, if you come back here, you can see that the AI automatically changed it to a light theme. I didn't have to do anything, no coding involved there. So based on the feedback that you get when you meet with the hair salon, maybe they're like, hey, can you do multiple different angles? Or these are our best-selling products. Can you include hair treatments? Can you include spa services? Those kind of things like blowouts, for example. Make it super personalized to the actual client, and they're going to love it. And it's super simple for us to do because you just have to come here and talk to the AI here to tell it to make the changes, and then it's going to be set up exactly like your client wants. And then you copy and paste this to every salon in your vicinity until you get a bunch. They all love it, and then you're going to have your own successful software company launched in a day or two, which is amazing. So this is just one example of all of the different software ideas that I give you on this channel. So definitely subscribe to make sure that you keep getting more business ideas on a daily basis. And if you actually want to partner with my agency and you would rather me and my team handle all of the technical build outs and build apps for you exactly how you want them, and you just focus on sales and selling and not worry about any of the technical stuff, then you can partner with my agency. We do have a done for you program where me and my developers will build out everything for you on the back end, and all you have to do is focus on sales. So if you are interested in working with me one-on-one, then in the description there's going to be a link for you to fill out a survey and then book a call with us. We'll meet with you, we'll see if it makes sense to partner, and then we can start fulfilling all of your technical work on the back end so you can just focus on sales and making sure you have a solid product to sell to the market. And if you're interested in seeing how my agency works and how we actually make money, then you can click this link right here.